constantly go to her son's bedroom and check out his belongings. She would sit there for hours and cry and did not know what to do. Why was she really doing all of this? Stay tuned. Hi, I'm Nidhi, proud mother of a young man, creator of my own life, a lifelong seeker, an omnivore, a textile professional turned communication skills trainer, turned midlife clarity coach, turned an author. And you're watching the Midlife Clarity Show. So why was Lata really doing all of this? Going to her son's room, taking out his different things, his belongings, sitting with those belongings for hours, crying her heart out. क्यों कर रही थी लता ये सब? So let me tell you a little bit about Lata. Lata is a 49-year-old youngster. She used to work before her son was born, but after his birth, she never went back to work. She'd been the homemaker all her life, and all through the 18 years of being a mother, she spent her days looking after her son and the family. Are you able to understand now what Lata was going through? So after 18 years, when Lata's son finished his school, he went on to study at college. And that means he moved out of the house. Lata was left with an empty nest. Her little bird had flown away. That's called the empty nest syndrome. शायद आप में से भी बहुत लोग इस empty nest syndrome से गुजर रहे हो, गुजर चुके हो, या शायद वो आने वाला है. So what is an empty nest syndrome? बच्चे बड़े हो जाते हैं, उनकी स्कूल खत्म हो जाता है और वो अपना घर छोड़कर कॉलेज चले जाते हैं. आपका जो नेस्ट है वो खाली हो जाता है. That's called the empty nest syndrome. जब आपके बच्चे बाहर चले जाते हैं, घर में एक सूनापन आ जाता है. And that's exactly what happened with Lata, जिसने अपनी जिंदगी के 18 साल सिर्फ अपने बेटे को दिए. And suddenly she was feeling alone. Her husband was busy. There was nobody else in the house. And Lata did not know what to do. She did not know where to start from, but she needed to come out of it. Empty nest syndrome, if not handled properly, can be very devastating. And that's something we do not want Lata to slip into. So हमने बहुत सिंपल छोटी छोटी चीजें की हैं. थोड़ी सी अवेयरनेस की बात थी यहाँ पर. And if you were able to relate to this empty nest syndrome, आप अपने आप को शायद प्रिपेयर कर रहे हो आने वाले वक्त के लिए, या आप उससे गुजर रहे हो, maybe this can help you. So Lata needed to distract herself. She needed to change her focus from her son to herself, which was going to be a very tough thing to do. And I'm sure आप में से बहुत सारी mothers इस चीज को समझ पाएंगी. The first thing she needed to do was spend time with her partner, her husband. It's very normal, जब आपका ध्यान एक तरफ होता है, एक पर्टिकुलर रिलेशन पे बहुत ज्यादा होता है, तो कहीं ना कहीं दूसरा कॉम्प्रोमाइज करता है. एंड वक्त के साथ साथ सब अपनी लाइफ में कहीं ना कहीं बिजी हो जाते हैं. सो शी स्टार्टेड स्पेंडिंग मोर टाइम विद हर हस्बैंड सो दैट देयर बॉन्ड कुड बी फर्दर स्ट्रेंथेंड. एंड दैट वाज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आई एम श्योर आप में से बहुत लोग इस चीज को मानेंगे. जो विद टाइम वी से कि एक रिलेशनशिप की, एक हस्बैंड वाइफ की रिलेशनशिप की बॉन्डिंग खत्म हो जाती है या बॉन्डिंग कम हो जाती है, उसको शायद रीलिव करने का वक्त था. एंड विच शी स्टार्टेड डूइंग. द सेकेंड थिंग दैट शी वर्कड ऑन वाज टू लुक विद इन. अपने आप को समझना. शी नीडेड टू कनेक्ट विद हरसेल्फ. उसको क्या पसंद है, ये चीजों के ऊपर उसने ध्यान देना शुरू किया. उसको जब वो छोटी थी या उसके बेटे के होने से पहले उसको क्या पसंद था, उसको म्यूजिक बहुत पसंद था लता को. शी लाइक्ड टू सिंग, सो शी स्टार्टेड सिंगिंग. गाती थी, पहले भी गाती थी, लेकिन उसका फोकस अपने बेटे पे, अपनी फैमिली की तरफ बहुत ज्यादा था. सो इस वक्त she needed to focus on herself and her little hobbies, her likes and dislikes, and that's exactly what she did. So Lata was a classically trained singer, but she left music after she got married, and now was the time when she started living it again. Wasn't that cool? And that really gave her a lot of peace. It distracted her mind so much that she did not go to her son's room all the time to think about him not being there. And the third thing that she did was she started taking up different challenges. She started building new hobbies. So उससे उसको एक नई लता मिली, एक नया वर्जन मिला खुद का. Just 3 things. Reconnect with your partner, relive your old hobbies and your likes and dislikes, and challenge yourself to learn something new. It's so simple. That's all she did. So if you are also dealing with that emptiness syndrome where you suddenly feel कुछ भी नहीं है अब लाइफ में करने के लिए, go ahead and try these 3 simple things and see how your life changes and how your life blooms. Well, I too need to be prepared for the empty nest syndrome because next year my son too will go to college. And if these strategies help you, do share in the comment. It would be great to hear from you. And if you're still facing challenges and finding it difficult to cope, you can connect with me directly and we can talk about how to collaborate and how to make sure that you win and overcome all the challenges. And watch out for more episodes of the Midlife Clarity Show where I will get more stories of people who have overcome some of their challenges. And if you haven't followed me or connected with me or subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and do that. All the links are given in the description with this video. Thank you. Take good care of yourself. See you soon.